Welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we're simply going to learn how to host a meeting in Zoom. To begin, you're going to need to go to zoom.us in a web browser. Once you get to zoom.us, you'll see that you can sign up for free. I'm going to go ahead and click up here, sign up for free. And of course, for verification, they ask for your birth date. So I'll just go ahead and use January 1st and a year that's going to make me seem young. So once you continue, you click continue, you'll be prompted to either enter your work email or you can sign in using your Google account or your Facebook sign in. I usually choose my Google account. It's just much easier. Once you've created an account or signed in using your Google account or your Facebook account, you're brought into the meetings window. Or here's some notifications from Zoom that they've changed recently for security purposes. So we're going to go ahead and close out all these announcements. And then we're going to go to schedule a meeting. You can schedule from here or you can schedule from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click schedule a meeting. Here's some more announcements. So we're going to close all of these announcements. And here you have it. You can choose the time zone, the date, the time. You can title your meeting. You can do any of these. You can join a meeting or you can just go to host a meeting with a video on, video off. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to host a meeting with video off. So here we are in the meeting. Since I had my video off, we're going to be able to see all of this information. And so let's go over it just to help familiarize you with the platform. You can go and click on invite others and you will be prompted with this window. You can choose to copy the URL, copy the invitation, and then mail it separately. Or you can mail it straight through Zoom using your email. You can also click here and you'll see the meeting ID and the meeting password. And you can email that to your participants. That's usually easier for most. And here someone has joined and you can see that there's two. It's of course me. And that's where you can control your participants. And then you can just turn on your video and you can get started with your meeting. Another way to join is if you've downloaded the app, you can just go ahead and click start the meeting. And here you are already ready to go. You're waiting for your participants to join, your meeting ID and the password. And if you want to invite someone, you can just go to the top, invite, copy your URL, copy your invite, similar to the other interface. You can just wait for your participants, turn on your video, and you'll be ready to go. Once you're done with the meeting, just go ahead and click end meeting. And it'll end the meeting for everyone. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.